In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to see your Amex virtual card number online. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to go into the official American Express website, as you can see, either on your computer or on your mobile, as you can see, and then you should be taken to this page right here. Now what you're going to do is to locate the three lines. For me, it's in the top left corner, as you can see, so click on the three lines. And now if you don't have the correct country down below, as you can see, for me it says United States. So for example, if it's not the correct country for you in here, you can always just click on change country right here, as you can see, then scroll down and choose the correct country in here basically. And then you should be able to actually change to the correct location that you are in right now for it to work basically, and then come back to this page. If you're not on this page, then once again click on the three lines. For me it's in the top left corner, as you can see, so click on the three lines and then you should now once again be taken to this page. Now what you're going to do is to find where it says help in here, so click on help. Just going to load, and perfectly, as you can see, we should now be taken here. Scroll down and then click on contact us in here, as you can see. It's going to now be taken here. You're going to scroll down and click on personal cards. And in here, you will be able to see all of the numbers that are currently to all of those customer service agents that are available in your country to call basically. So what you're going to do is to find the first number in here, and then you're going to call to their customer support, and they're the ones that can actually help you with this. Unfortunately, as of right now, this is the only way that you can actually get your Amex virtual card number online, and they need to verify that it is you, of course, so that they don't give it out to some stranger basically. So yeah, you need to verify with them when you're actually calling the customer service that you are you, and then they will be able to help you with this. So this is basically exactly how to do this.